Hi, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you the USB condenser microphone that I bought. This is another gadget that we can use for vlogging. And I'm pretty sure that you will really like it and you will get some ideas on how you'll be able to use it in your vlog or on your presentations. Okay, so this is the gadget that I bought, and then they call it TC777 USB condenser microphone. And this is how it looks like. So inside the box, you will see that there are instruction manuals. So there is an instruction manual, service card. So there is a 2 years replacement warranty. And then here, so they can help you if there is any technical issue, if you're unsatisfied, or the packing issue or operational issue, or there's a wrong item. So you can, there's a 2-year warranty, so it's pretty good, okay? And then they have the instruction manual on how you're going to set it up. So this is how it looks like, okay? And this is the microphone itself. Okay, so I already hooked it up in my iMac. So you will see that I put it here in the socket here, over here. Okay, so it's very easy to install. So right now I'll be using this microphone condenser for the editing that I'm going to do. So I'm starting another video. Let's go back. And then here, when you set it up, I'm using an iMac. So to set it up, you will go to your system preferences. And then in the system preferences, once you go there, and then here you can just go to view. I hope you see it. You can just go to view and then get the sound. So once you go to the sound, so once it's here, there are 2 devices for sound input. You have the internal microphone, and then you have, this is a built-in, and then you have a toner TC77 audio device, USB. You know what I noticed when I didn't put the internal micro, when I didn't put the toner TC77 audio device, the recording that I had was really muffled, and it's really hard to listen. It's very soft, and you'll not be able, it's not loud enough. And then you have to set up your input volume, and then so that you will get the desired sound. And then you will put input. So that's how to set it up. Okay, so it's already set up. And now let's go to my video. So this is my video. Okay, so I'm doing a video about my trip, our trip to Alaska, Ketchikan. So you will see that there is a microphone here. You can see the microphone, and then here, this is the microphone, and then there is the recording button here, this one. So all you have to do is, so it's already set up, and then when you want to start your vlog or your recording, you guys just go to the place that you want to start, or here. And then you can click this button and start recording, and then it will always also give you a time. So let me go back. Oops, I'm here. Okay, so I'm going to start my recording here in this part. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I already did some recording. Sorry, let me go stop. Okay, here. Let's delete it. Let's delete it. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'll start here so that there will be a it will alert me when to start. Okay. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you our trip to Alaska, Ketchikan, Alaska. And then here we rode a Ruby Princess cruise ship, and you will see here my son and the different and the cruise ship itself. Stop. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry, I didn't hit the record button here, so it didn't work. Okay, let's try again. You see, so it's like trial and error when you are just starting. So I'm going to start here, right? And then hit the record button. And then it will give you the numbers. Okay, there you go. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you our trip to Alaska, Ketchikan. We rode Ruby Princess cruise ship, and also I'm here with my son and my husband. Okay, let's see. Okay, see what happened? You started here. You should start here. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can edit this one. Let's see. Okay, there you go. There you go. See that? So we were able to edit it. Okay, so now we're starting here. Start. This vlog, I'm going to show you our trip to Alaska, Ketchikan. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so it's a success. We were able to edit, and we're able to start on the right spot. Okay, so that's how we use the microphone. Isn't it wonderful you'll be able to make a narration of your video? Because here when we went to Alaska, we were not able to use the video. We just took a lot of pictures. So now with this microphone and the USB condenser, I will be able to do the narration in here in my video. Okay, so I hope that you that you learned something out of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we will be able to give you more videos, tutorials, videos, reactions, and reviews. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye.